This is a room tour. This is on the Enchanted Princess, room B529, an interior room.
All right, let's go in.
So this is, you touch your medallion. The door's already unlocked, but
yeah.
it is what it is. That's Carla. She's gonna be your room tour person.
Okay. All right.
Okay, now she's gonna get out because she's shy. So here we are. This is an interior room. This room is set up for 4 people. You cannot put the beds together. So if you need a king-size bed, this room is not for you. You have to have the beds separated. Then they have the storage here. It looks like you got the plug there. And you got the plug there. The only thing I see for power, you have a USB in your lamps. And that's all I see. Right there. On this side, you got the TV. You have a blow dryer, drawers, the mini fridge. Here is the plug-in situation. You have 2 international plugs and you have one 110 plug. So if you need the plug-ins, just remember you have the international plugs there. I will link our international plug in the description, and maybe it'll help out. It's approved by the cruise ship. So the desk area, and then you got the mirror, air conditioner, and then you come this way. We got our own little hallway here. Let's get some light. So you got 1 closet to hang all your stuff, 2 closets to hang all your stuff. And then you got this side, all the shelving. And here's, got 1. And you come right here and you go into the bathroom. Let's get some light wherever the light is, which is right there. Come in here, you got the 3 shelves, the sink. You got the understorage. You got the shower with a step, so that's nice. Not a bad room. But like I said, if you need the king bed, this room's not for you. You cannot make the beds together. So this is an interior room on the Enchanted Princess B529. Alright, so this being a 3-person room,
Actually 4.
It's a 4-person room technically. We have it set up for a 3-person room, but this is how it looks when they have the beds down. So you can imagine this is for 3 people. If they have 4, it's going to be the same, but whatever. We just have 3. So you got the bunk beds with the ladder. Like I said, the bottom beds, they don't go to a king. So if you need a king bed, this room is not for you. But if you're okay with it, it's perfect. And if you had a 4th person, that will be the bed right there. But we don't have a 4th, so it is what it is.